Again, it's amazing how quickly it all progresses. I think it won't take too long for this to finish. Good morning. I'm here at the Sathorn Pier near the Sathorn BTS station, and I'm here to give an update about two things. So there are quite high tides going on at the moment on the Choa Phraya River. That means that at certain parts of the day the river overflows a little bit, and it's about to get high tide now. So I just wanted to give an update about that, and you can see that the river is just extremely high. It's getting on the edge here, and if you see footage that I made the other day about the construction here, you can see that the river was a lot lower. Yeah, so this is in the Bangkok area, and the Bangkok area at some points floods, so I'm just gonna go around a little bit. Here you can see the water seeping through. So let me also give you a small update regarding the pier that they are building here. It's progressing. Here you have the boat to the icon Siam. You can see everybody's prepared for water to come in. By the way, this is an interesting building here. This is the Department of Rural Roads. So let me show you a bit more about the construction here. You can see it's progressing. So the last time I was here was about a little over 1 month ago. And what you see a lot here is the ferry boats that connect to the buildings that are across here. So this is the boat from the river. And you still have the express boats going up and down. This is the small ferry that just crosses the river here. You know, normally here you have these pylons that you can see, but that's all underwater now. And basically what happens that, like now there is a couple of days that you have high tide. 2 days ago and last night everything flooded. So here you have a better view of how this is gonna look. Again, it's amazing how quickly it all progresses. I think it won't take too long for this to finish. So this year, this is the Four Seasons Hotel. And right before there you have the Capella Hotel, which is a 6-star. And the Four Seasons has the highest swimming pool in Bangkok. And that's the river building. So you just saw the boat that was bringing the people that live there back to the... Okay, so let me show you a little bit more in the Bangkok area and see how the levels of the river are there. I just noticed this big bike here. I mean, with this kind of bike you can just go through all terrain. And in the meanwhile, I also noticed that it's getting a bit more flooded here. And basically, if you wait for the levels to get to the red point there, this is when the levels are too high, and then the water will start seeping in here as well, which will be a little bit later. Okay, let me show you a bit more about the Bangkok area. I'm here at the Warehouse 30 district, and they are prepared here with sandbags. It's about 10:30 now, and the highest floods already happened a couple of days ago, but it's still, you know, the river is still running over in this area. This is the Portuguese embassy. Sawadee krap, Mel krap. From Netherlands นะครับ So if you remember, I made a video about the British embassy, where now is the post office. So there used to be the French, the British and the Portuguese, and I'm pretty sure the Dutch must have been here as well, as they were the main colonial powers that were trading in the east. So the Portuguese embassy is still here, and next to the Portuguese embassy you have the pier, and that one is flooding almost every day now. This is actually a really nice area. So if you remember Anna and the King of Siam, she used to live there. So this is the Siphaya Pier, the N3, and they are just cleaning up here, and I think every day they have to come and clean up again. Cup. Good job, na. Yeah, I already parked my bicycle here. The water is seeping through at the moment. It's not really that it's going over the borders yet, but it's just the water just cannot be stopped properly. Here there is a sinkhole, and it can absorb a bit until now, but let's see how long that's gonna take. So here they already have the preparations that you can walk on the higher path. Sawadee krap. This lady is sitting here every day, and every day it's overflowing. Here you can see also how near the water is to the edge. So the thing, what happens with the high tide is that the water comes in from the sea, and it pushes the river water back. And now, you know, when you have a very heavy raining season like we have this year, all the water accumulates throughout the whole country, and it comes like, it's almost like a funnel. It comes through the Choa Phraya River here, and normally the river can handle it and it flows into the sea, but with high tide the sea is pushing back, and then it can create a problem. And this is something that doesn't happen every year, but it's when you have this extreme rainfall, then you get this. So this is the Siphaya Pier, and as you can see also here they are constructing and renovating the pier. They are doing that along the whole express line. Yeah, they are doing proper renovations everywhere. I know there is a new pier at the Nonthaburi area as well. So I hope you found this update regarding the overflow of the Choa Phraya River interesting. If you did, feel free to subscribe. drop me a line. You know I will keep you up to date about anything that's going on in Bangkok. And see you guys in my next video.